Thinking about moving to the Dominican Republic, but you don't want the chaos of a big city? Let me show you why Bayahibe is one of the smartest places to live and buy real estate right now. By the way, I help people just like you who want to make the right move in Bayahibe and would love to help you too. In the description below, you will find my links, my WhatsApp, my email, how to book a one-on-one call, and my website. So you can contact me in whatever way works for you. Hi, I'm Nattacha Jimenez with Remax Bayside. I live and work here in Bayahibe. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 lifestyle and real estate advantages that make Bayahibe a top choice, whether you're relocating, renting, investing, or buying a second home. And by the way, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to share with you one extra advantage that most people don't think about, and it's a big one. It is not on the list, but it might be the reason why you choose Bayahibe over Punta Cana. Advantage number 1, Bayahibe offers a real beach lifestyle, not just vacation, but for everyday living. You can build your routine here, morning walks, quick beach time, and still get things done without spending your whole day in traffic. Advantage number 2, it's calm, but it's still close to everything. Bayahibe is more relaxed than Punta Cana, yet you are close to shopping, restaurants, day trips, and easy access when friends and family come to visit. Advantage number 3, a strong rental demand for the right properties. Well-located condos and vacation-friendly communities perform very well here. That means you can enjoy your property part of the year and rent it when you are away. And here is advantage number 4. You have options: move-in-ready condos, new developments, and pre-construction projects. Different price points, different styles, so we can match your property to your exact goal, lifestyle, rental income, or both. Advantage number 5. Bayahibe is a lifestyle and value sweet spot. In many cases, you get more property for your money compared to bigger, crowded markets. It is perfect balance of Caribbean living and a smart real estate decision. So if you're looking for a real beach town, calmer living, strong rental demand, great property options, and a solid overall value, Bayahibe should be absolutely on your list. And now, here's an extra advantage I told you to wait for. This is the one most buyers don't factor in. Bayahibe is the main gateway to Saona Island. This is where the boats leave. No Punta Cana, no big resort cities, Bayahibe. That matters a lot because Saona Island is one of the most iconic places in the Dominican Republic. Crystal clear waters, protected nature, and white sand beaches. Living or investing in Bayahibe means you are minutes away from an experience that people travel across the world for. For property owners, this is a real lifestyle value and a real rental appeal. But for guests, they just don't want a condo. They want access. They want experiences. And Bayahibe offers something that bigger cities cannot offer: direct connection to one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean. That is why, for many buyers, Bayahibe is not just quieter, it's smarter. It's not just where you live, it's what you are connected to. That is Bayahibe. If you're thinking about moving to Bayahibe or buying property here, I would love to help. Check the description box below. You will find all my links there: WhatsApp, email, how to book a one-on-one call, and my website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next video.